Hey, are you planning for your PR but getting stuck at 6.5 in writing again and again? Well, you managed to get an 8 in listening, a 7 in speaking, and a 7 in reading, but writing is something that we're getting stuck at. Well, before I tell you that how you can get band 7, let's understand the maths of band 7 for IELTS writing. How exactly are your bands calculated? Well, most of the students are told that you should focus more on task 2 as the marks are added twice in comparison to task 1. Agreed. I completely agree with that. But let's see what happens when you're told that. You focus less on task 1. Now let's assume this is a scenario where in task 2 you get 7 band in all the band descriptors. You respond to the task well, your cohesion and coherence is great, you have done great with lexical resources, and there are no errors with your grammatical range and accuracy. So you end up getting a 28 total. This 28 will be divided by 4 to find out the average of task 2. So you'll be getting an average 7 band in task 2. But let's say on the other hand, you just managed to get 6 in all band descriptors in task 1 and your total score is 24. So this is 6. Now how is it going to be calculated? Your overall score would be task 1 6 band, task 2 7 band, task 2 again because it's going to be calculated twice 7. So 7 plus 7 plus 6 is going to be 20. To take out an average, it would be divided by 3. So 20 divided by 3 would be 6.6. Now, how does IELTS round off? IELTS round off your marks to the closest 0.5. So 6.6 would be rounded off to 6.5. This is how you're getting stuck at this again and again. Exactly not the same scores. I'm just taking this as a scenario. But yes, most of the time when students think that they don't need to keep focus on task 1, they can lose marks. Now let's look at another scenario. How do you get to band 7? Now let's say again the same scenario in tasks 2 you've been able to get 7777 in all band descriptors and it's 28 divided by 4 you're getting a 7 band in task 2 and in task 1 you managed to get 7 in 3 but a 6 in grammatical range. So instead of a total 6 now your score is 6.75 in task 1. Now this 6.75 would be rounded off to the closest 0.5, which is 7. Now what would be your overall score? 7 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to 21 divided by 3, 7 band overall. So it's very simple. What students actually don't understand is that yes, task 2 does hold more weightage as it's being calculated twice, but it's only going to make difference if you are actually getting an 8 band in all in task 8, or let's say even in 1 or 2 band descriptors. So I hope this video makes clear to most of you that how your bands are calculated and how you getting at 6.5 again and again. So the simple formula to band 7 is, as I've said again, get 7 in all task 1 and task 2. It's simple. 21 divided by 3 is 7 bands. So keep your focus on that. Just don't focus on one thing. Okay, I'm just going to learn different kind of essays, templates, cram them up, and I'm completely going to ignore task 1. Doesn't work out. You have to focus on both. Maybe yeah, give more weightage to task 2, but do not ignore task 1. Also, to understand how you can turn your aspirations into reality with us and get band 7 and above, kindly DM us or call us on the given number. We look forward to help you achieve your goals.